Understanding the phrase, pooped. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a fun and commonly used phrase in English, pooped. Are you curious about what it means and how to use it? Stick around, and let's dive in. When we hear the word pooped, the first thing that might come to mind is the informal word for defecating. Yes, you heard it right. However, that's not the only meaning of the term, and in many contexts, it has nothing to do with the restroom at all. More commonly than its literal meaning, pooped is a colloquial way to say extremely tired or exhausted. If someone says, "I'm pooped," they're expressing that they're very tired, usually after a long day or a strenuous activity. For example, after a long day of sightseeing, you might hear someone say, "Wow, I'm pooped." This doesn't mean they need a bathroom, but that they're worn out and probably need some rest. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. After running the marathon, I was pooped. 2. I can't join you for another round of games. I'm pooped. 3. He looked so pooped after the 3-hour exam. It's essential to determine the context in which pooped is used. If someone mentions pooped when discussing a pet or baby, they're probably talking about the first, more literal meaning. But in casual conversations among adults, especially when discussing their energy levels, they're likely referring to feeling tired. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone say they're pooped, you'll know they might just be tired and not talking about a bathroom break. We hope you found this video enlightening. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like these add a touch of color to our conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.